Good day everyone, I'm here to report the definition of flash drive, how it works, the different parts, and the types of it. Let me start in the definition. Flash drive. A flash drive is a small device that is used to store computer files and allows for the transportation of these files from computer to computer, usually by plugging it into a USB port. How does a flash drive work? It has to be inserted in a USB port on a computer. Today's operating system can detect flash drives and install the necessary drivers on the own. Once the device is detected, it can be used for storing data. The device needs to be ejected from the computer once its work is over. The system prompts you when it is safe to remove the flash drive, after which it can be removed physically. What are the parts of USB flash drive? First, the USB connector. The USB connector is a small silver extension that extends from the main USB device. The connector is what insert into the USB port in the computer. Because this part of USB flash drive is easily damaged, newer USB flash drive can come with a switch that pulls the connector into the main compartment. The memory chip. The memory chip, a black chip placed on the main circuit board of the USB drive, is what stores the information. This chip is protected by an outer case. These cases are sometimes clear, so the user can see the flash memory chip on the USB drive circuit board. The lead and crystal oscillator. USB drives contain light-emitting diodes. LED is lighted components that indicate processing of or connecting for the user. A green LED is used to main ready. It indicates the USB drive is connected and ready to save information. Some flash drives have a red LED to indicate that an issue exists with the connection. A crystal oscillator is a small component of the flash drive circuit about the sense of frequency signal. These oscillators are used to switch and other devices that keep time. Oscillators are used to control the output of the flash drive. The different types of flash drives. First, the basic flash drive. This is also called the thumb storage for the small size of devices. Flash drives for basic use range is in capacity of up to 8 GB or more. Novelty flash drive perform the same function as regular flash drive and having varying amounts of flash memory. The difference is in the form they take. A popular novelty flash drive in Japan is a sushi drive. A flash drive in the shape of a piece of sushi. According to the website Computer World, some of the strangest variety include a Barbie doll that requires a head to be taken off to insert the drive into USB port. The security flash drive. Security measures in flash drive can take different forms. According to the website Consumer Search, These measures can include fingerprinting read, combination locks, and even software programs to encrypt sensitive information. The U3. U3 enables smart flash drives allows users to run programs from the drives without actually installing them on the computer. This enables users who regularly change computers, like students, travelers, for example, to carry them, their most used programs on a U3 flash drive and never have to install them on any of the computer they use. The limitation of U3 flash drive is that the software programs that runs from then need special optimize to work the U3 technology, meaning not every program will be functional. So that's all. See you next time.